Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Dyson vacuum battery. In order to reset a Dyson vacuum battery, you need to first of all unplug the charger and you need to plug it back in and connect it to the vacuum. Hold the trigger for 20 seconds and release and then remove the charger. Here is how you can basically do it in a more detailed manner. So you need to first of all start by unplugging the Dyson charger from the wall outlet, and then you need to simply plug it back in. Then you need to attach the charger to your Dyson vacuum. Once it is connected successfully, you need to hold down the vacuum's trigger for approximately 20 seconds, and even if the vacuum doesn't turn on, after the 20-second, you need to release the trigger and remove the charger from the vacuum. Now you need to attempt to use your Dyson vacuum as usual, and this way you will be able to easily reset it. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.